Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will guide you through on how to stay effortlessly connected with Notion's notification system. So, let's explore how you can ensure you never miss a beat. Begin by clicking Updates at the top of your left sidebar. This is your hub for all things notification worthy, tailored just for you. Every update appears adorned with a gray badge, a sign that something has shifted in your realm. And if you have been mentioned, brace for a red badge, a beacon signaling the number of mentions awaiting your attention. Dive right in. With a single click, you are transported to the heart of action, be it a comment, a mention, or a critical edit. So never miss a thing. Embrace the power of updates and ensure your presence resonates across your digital landscape. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.